If you're a content creator or wish to pay, so this amazing website will blow your way. Just take it over this URL, talkbackup.com, and you can find an awesome tool that enables you to download all videos, whether they are TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, in just a matter of seconds, without any watermark, full HD from any profile, not only yours, without any login. Thus, picture that. You can pick up any profile found on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and you want to get all these videos found in this profile, even they are 2000s. So you can use this amazing TalkBack app to download all these videos just with a click of a button at the same time directly to your device without any watermark with the highest definition. Awesome, isn't it? And of course, I need to mention that you can also download the all slideshows and carousel posts as well as regular short videos. And there's another show in the top from this amazing tool, talkbackup.com. That is, you'll also get an Excel sheet that contains all data regarding these entitled videos, such as titles, descriptions, captions, hashtags, a number of likes, comments, shares, and etc. Therefore, you can analyze the performance and the strategy found on these videos and these profiles. And then a good question comes up: how we can make money online using TalkBackup tool? There are many ways. For example, number one, you can provide this service as a backup tool in freelance platforms like in Fiverr, Upwork, Bill per Hour, Goro, and so on, because there are many content creators who are afraid of losing their videos and their effort because of any technical issue or suspension in some social media. So they need a backup of their videos with the highest definition without any watermark in their devices. So you can provide this amazing gig, using this TalkBackup tool to provide this awesome service. And number two, for sure, you can download many videos from many profiles as you like. Therefore, and create accounts on these social media and make a bunch of compilation videos in any niche you want, such as comedy, art, policy, economic, and so on and so forth. So you can count on TikTok, for example, that are specialized in making compilation videos and so on. And that way it takes us to the third way to make money online using TalkBackup tool. That is, you can create a YouTube channel that is specialized in making compilation videos. Therefore, you can monetize your channel using ads or affiliate marketing. And the fourth way, for sure, if you are interested in a specific niche or a specific area, therefore you can pick up some famous profiles who are expert in a specific niche or specific field. Therefore, you can download all these profiles and these videos. That way you get many valuable lessons, so you can learn a lot of these tips and tricks in different fields like Photoshop tutorials, Canva tutorials, PixArt, and so on and so forth. Therefore, you can prepare yourself as a content creator and create profiles on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and so on, and teach all these tips and tricks as you want, adding your professional touch and your style. So you get experience from all these experts and from these professionals, and you can learn and teach as well. And you can go beyond that and even better by making a course and sell it as a digital product in different platforms and social media and so on. And of course, there's another way to make money online using TalkBackup tool. That is, if you are good at video editing and skilled with adding something like transitions, emojis, sound effects in some videos, just you can use all these videos and make what's so called before and after editing. So you can showcase your skills in video editing and make people hire you as a freelancer through the link in bio on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. And number 6, to make money online from TalkBackup tool, just you can use all these videos that you have downloaded from different profiles in a specific niche as a promotional material and tools to get a lot of traffic to your link in bio on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. And of course, I have talked about this amazing way to make money online using affiliate marketing using Pinterest. So you can watch this video down below in the description box and in the first comment. So you can upload many videos as you want in Pinterest, for example, to get a lot of traffic to your link in bio to promote something like a course, some affiliate links, and etc. And that way you can find many ways to make money online and leverage this tool, Tukpakap tool. And there is something left you have to know, that Tukpakap not a free tool. So if you go to this pricing plans or pricing page of this wonderful tool, here you can find two ways to use this tool. Either you can go for beginner plan, so you can pay for only $10 one time, not on monthly basis, just one payment deal, $10 one time, so you can download up to 1,000 profiles or accounts on different social media, export up to 1,000 profiles, download TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, no watermark and full quality videos, data reports and analytics, and so on and so forth. Or you can go for unlimited creator plan or this one-time payment deal, as I said before, just for $20 one time. And here you can download unlimited profiles from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and so on. So Tukpakap, it's not free tool, it's a premium tool. However, I think it's affordable tool to everyone who likes to make online using Tukpakap from these different ways I have mentioned in this video, like as a freelancer to provide this amazing gig, to make completion videos on social media or YouTube channel as a YouTuber, or to get a lot of lessons and make them as well as a content creator, as a professional in a specific area or a specific niche. Or you can use all these videos as a promotional tools and a promotional material to get a lot of traffic to your link in bio. Or you can add your video editing experience to make a before and after style, and therefore you can hire yourself as a freelancer on your social media accounts. Or you can get a lot of different footage or images from these videos and you can sell them as a PLR or footage on some premium websites like Shutterstock and so on. For example, if you can get a lot of accounts that are for traveling, exploring cities and countries, so you can get a lot of amazing landscape. And for sure, there are many ways and endless ways to make money online from this amazing tool, Tukpakap. And by the end, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.